Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z9555XX. Only 11,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, tungsten metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty in 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 11,000 miles with driver information system. Operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, USB, and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway. And approximately 65% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.